For this lesson we will be solving equations with brackets. The keywords are expand, equation, expression, inverse and operation. We have two questions on the board and I will start off by using the first example. So in this example we have some brackets. Now in maths, as most of you who are in my class will know, that whenever we see brackets we must always expand out the brackets first. So let's expand the brackets first. So to expand these brackets we have 2 on the outside and we will multiply by the x. That gives me 2x. And then I will multiply the 2 by the positive 8. That gives me positive 16. And then we will equal that to 20. I will then solve the equation. So what do I need to get rid of first? The 2 which is next to the x, or the plus 16. I will get rid of the plus 16 because the 16 is on its own, whereas the 2 is connected with the x. Whatever I do on the left, I will need to do it on the right. So we will subtract 16 from the right hand side as well, which means on the left hand side we're left with 2x, and on the right hand side we're left with 4. Now 2x, hopefully you all remember that 2x means 2 multiplied by x. So to get rid of the 2 we will divide by 2, and because I've divided by 2 on the left I will divide by 2 on the right. That leaves me with x on the left representing the number 2. I can check my answer by putting the 2 back into the equation. On the right hand side we have another example that is exactly the same. So the first thing I will do is expand out the brackets. So 3 times x, which is 3x, 3 times minus 9 minus 27 equals 6. What do I need to get rid of first? The 3 or the minus 27? We will get rid of the minus 27 because the minus 27 is on its own. So to get rid of the minus 27 I add 27. Because I've added 27 on the left, I need to do it on the right. Then on the left hand side I am left with 3x, and on the right hand side 6 plus 27, which is 33. Now my equation reads 3x equals 33. 3x, which means 3 times x, so to get rid of the 3 I will need to divide by 3 and divide by 3 on the right, which means x equals 11. My two answers. You can check your answers by inserting the number back into the equation. This time round we have exactly the same thing, but this time it involves negative numbers. But we start off by doing the same thing. So like I've said before, in maths wherever you see brackets you need to expand them first. So minus 2 times x, which is minus 2x, minus 2 times positive 8, which is minus 16. Be careful on the negative numbers. So minus 2x minus 16 needs to equal to 20. What do I get rid of first? The minus 2 or the minus 16? Hopefully by now you're all used to getting rid of whatever is on its own. So in this situation it's minus 16. So we will plus 16 plus 16. And then minus 2x, sorry, remember, cross it off so you always remember that we're ignoring it. Minus 2x, 20 add 16, which is 36. And then the final step is, what do I need to get rid of first? And it must be minus 2. And to get rid of minus 2, it's going to be not plus 2, because remember minus 2x means minus 2 times x. So to get rid of the minus 2, I need to divide by minus 2. And because I've divided by minus 2 on the left, divide by minus 2 on the right also. So x equals 36 divided by minus 2. Well, 36 divided by 2 is 18, and the plus and the minus in my negative number rule book becomes a minus. The question on the right, exactly the same thing. So minus 10 times y, which is minus 10y, minus 10 times positive 2, which is minus 20, and that equals to 40. What will we get rid of first? Minus 20 by adding 20. Add 20 on the right. We're left with minus 10y on the left and 60 on the right. what do I get rid of? The minus 10 by dividing by minus 10. Let's divide by minus 10 on the right also. Remember to cross it off. We're left with y on the left, and 60 divided by minus 10. Well, 60 divided by 10 is 6. A plus and a minus in my negative number rulebook becomes a minus. So my answer is minus 6. Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to have a go at these questions. If you're in set 4, if you can do 5 questions from the red and then go on to the green. And if you're in set 4, if you can do 5 questions from the red, 5 from the amber, and then have a go at the green question.